course it does. I designed it myself. Polar bear, Tibetan yak trim. Very difficult to find a Tibetan yak this time of year. I wouldn't recommend it. Get yourself some hinge. Took horse and just for 7 long years. I know. Shall we take a portrait? Yes. Do you want to make someone hold all your stuff? How about? Way funnier if you made that lady do it, but sure, ruin all my jokes. All right, we're ready. No, for me, you shouldn't have. What is it? Am I in here? Oh, there's puppies. Well, you didn't put. Show me. I didn't see that part. I just saw the people. Very small. Maybe a sock for you. If you're lucky, I doubt it. What's this one? Oh my, a pug? Why? And what's that?
She's driving.
What kind of dog is that? So what is that dog? What is that? I don't know, it doesn't look good. It's best to be safe. Let's put it back. All right, you hold on to that. It's very hard to find good help these days. I don't know if you remember the last incident. Didn't go over so well. Do you mind? It's a lot of work. Don't do that. Any pets at home? You'd like to chat it out?
I got
2 dogs? You should have led with that. Telling me your name. It's encouraging them. Okay, what kind of dogs are they? Do you know? Have you ever looked at them? Get it, you have it. Why bother? Small ones? That is never a good sign. How would you have them shoved in your bag, maybe? Let me check. If you shake it, they'll whimper. I didn't hear anything.
I mean, look at Cruella.
That's a pity. You left them at home. They must be bad dogs. No encouragement there. I believe it when I see a little one. All right, are you ready? Say puppies.